children, today we are going to start with chapter number 10, means of communication. So in this chapter, we will study about different means of communication. What is communication? Communication, it is a process by which we express our thoughts and ideas with different people. We have two types of communication, personal means of communication and mass means of communication. What is personal means of communication? When we have to communicate individually, right? It's a personal means of communication. For example, like letter, telephone or SMS. If we talk about mass communication, when we have to communicate with a large group of people and mass number of people, it is known as mass communication. For example, like newspaper, your television and radios. Let's start with the different means of communication now. Many times what happens, we need to send information to our friends and relatives who are far away from us. So, the process of sending and receiving information is called communication. Like letter, telephone, fax, radio, television, cinema, newspaper and computers, all are the various means of communication. If we talk about letter, sending letter is the cheapest means of communication. We write letter and send it through postal service. Right? Letter usually take a few days to reach their destination. A postman deliver letters. Nowadays, you see that many post offices around the country offer speed post and quick mail services, which ensure same day or next day deliver letter. Other than Indian Post, that is IG, many private companies like DT, DC, Blue Dart, what they provide courier service throughout the country. Then we have telephone and fax. So telephone helps two people to talk each other directly, even when they are away from each other. Today, telephones connect the people to the world. In fact, we can talk to the people in any part of the world on the telephone. Nowadays, the mobile phones are widely used by the people. So we can even send what exact copy of letter or picture over telephone wires. A fax machine, what it helps us? It helps us to send and receive copy of the letter. Now we have radio, television and cinema. What is radio? It helps to educate entertainment people, even those who cannot read. You can listen to news, songs and other message on the radio. Then we have television. It is the most attractive means of communication. Through the television, we can not only hear but also we see what is happening all over the world. कि क्या हो रहा है आसपास के world. So television has many channels. We watch news, sports and entertaining programs on the television, right? So next, if it says cinema, which is an attractive means of communication, you can see that documentary films attempt to inform what? And educate viewer. So feature films are seen on the entertainment. Newspapers and magazine. Newspaper and magazine, they contain lot of news about our city, country and world. A newspaper tells us about what is happening all over the world. So newspaper are published in various languages like English, Hindi and regional language. Next we have computer and people. Next topic is computer and internet. As you know that computer helps people to communicate. With the help of internet connection, you can send message through an email to any part of the world. It is the fastest means of communication, just like you use phone, so that you even see the person you are talking to with the help of web camera. The internet has revolutionized the process of communicating with others. We have social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter. They are the modern ways of communication. Right? So in this chapter, I have told you about the different means of communication. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.